Hi Lucy, here are two Sony power units. They are the standard sort. I know you've got loads of these at home, so you have some more. They are for the two DV cam working cameras, the A1E and the PDX10, and also for the silver mini DV camera as well. Okay, so it's just the cameras, what I've shown you, and I'm sure there'll be a battery or two, but I haven't got many, so probably not enough batteries for all the cameras. I'll have a look, because I know some of them are broken. Okay. Hi Lucy, here are the three DV cam, which is the same as mini DV cameras, so they're professional is the difference. As you're aware, there are two PDX10s and this one, which is a A1E. This one is the broken one. It doesn't have any blue spots on it. We're going to use it as a prop in the exhibition. This one is the one with the blue spots, is the working one, and then this is the A1E. If you remember, it's got a kind of it misbehaves and goes on and off for a few minutes when you turn it on, but then it settles down and works. Okay, that's what you've got, and you've got the box. There's a few old tapes in there that I've just stuck in there. I haven't checked them, but we'll be giving you some tapes after the exhibition. I just need to sort out which ones you can have. Okay. Hi Lucy, this is your Sony mini DV camcorder. It's here with a case and handy cam. I'm going to do the power units separately for the Sony camcorders. Hi Lucy, this is your Panasonic VHS camera. It comes in a case with the power unit and power cable, and the mains cable is part of the power unit, and there is one battery that works. I've disposed of the old ones that don't.
Hello, once again, here's all my final cable from my camcorder. This is video from the exhibition in the Gala. We'll continue to this year. I'll show you how it works. So that's all my cables here. Stones in there. Stones as well. That's my old little cable. I have the dark blue cable with the final cable at the end of what time from the old Panasonic that has second cable for me. He has up from the front, from the side. After he gets from his camera on her front, from left to left and up to get it here. Yeah. And here's all my cables, which is both in which is one of my old cameras, which is used after the exhibition. The second here is the color at the end of the color 22. So that's the old one. I sometimes it's not good again for sometimes again and then over to one. To be useful today, looking like the guitar, to do action with my old battle section from my friends, play old funny little chance to me. Well, they play at 10, doesn't come in. That will go on channel. It's not in properly, and everyone is going to play at 10. It's a good dog, it's not to be hot sure that can be microphone on top, and it's working well, and then put a few microphone and to change the one and printed. And for that, the notification cover, one cover, still have fit into the notification. That's what we can about that 1 month until next it's going to find. And very quickly, it's much better than everyone from not to get compassion minutes. Okay. Well, okay. Now here's my all my table for me. Okay, here's from the camera. Now, don't just find. Now, damage, no break or again. Careful to find. Okay. And cut.